are the practical problems. Question 1. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? First, understand the question. What is the matter is given. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number means number is not given. What is the number that we have find? So suppose the number equal to x. Then what will be the equation? If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number means x. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result, this is the result. Multiply means we can multiply here or here. Multiply the result by 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon 2. This result is multiplied by 1 upon 2. You will get 1 upon 8. Okay? So this is the formation of the equation. How to make equation from the language given description. That is very important. If your equation is wrong, then your solution will be also wrong. First, understand the language of the question, then suppose the given and suppose the find, and then make the equation. Now, therefore, first taking LCM, 1 upon 2, x multiplied to 2x minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 8. Now, remove this 1 upon 2. So 1 numerator will become into denominator and denominator will come into numerator. Therefore, 2x minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2. This 2 is in denominator, so multiply with numerator, and this 1 will be here. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now 2x minus 1 upon 2 equal to, here is the only one. There are two numbers in denominator, multiply sign, so multiply 1 upon 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now cross multiplication, 4 multiplying with 2x minus 1 and 1 multiplying by 2. 4 2s are 8x minus 4 1s are 4 equal to 2 1s are 2. Now 8x equal to 2 minus 4, expose the front side, so minus will be plus. Therefore, x equal to 4 plus 2, 6 upon 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 will be cut. Therefore, x equal to 3 upon 4 is the required number. Okay? How to solve this equation? First understand very well, then you can solve. Okay? Now write down in your notebook. Okay students, now question 2. The perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Length is given in the reference of the breadth. Find the length and breadth of the swimming pool. Okay, so we have to find length and breadth, but length is given in the reference of the breadth. So first we are going to suppose the breadth equal to x meter. Let the breadth equal to x meter. Breadth equal to x meter. Then its length, therefore length equal to, length is 2 meter more, 2 meter more. Length is 2 meter more. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. X is the breadth, so twice means 2x. Understand once again. Breadth equal to x. Then its length is length equal to 2 meter more. 2 plus means more than twice. Multiplying by 2, then it is twice. So we have find here both length and breadth. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is given 154 meters. The perimeter of the swimming pool is 154 meter. Perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool. Perimeter means, what is the meaning of perimeter? About the rectangle. Suppose this is the length, this is the breadth, then this is also length, it is also. So perimeter means sum of the all sides. Length plus breadth means 2 length plus 2 breadth. If you take common, 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Same thing. 2L plus 2B. The perimeter of the swimming pool means 2 into bracket length plus breadth. 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So 2 will be common. Equal to 154 meters. Therefore, 2 length is given 2x plus 2 plus breadth is given x equal to 154. Now this is the our equation form. Okay. Therefore, to remove, so 2x plus x plus 2 equal to 154 divided 2. Therefore, 2x plus 1x, 3x plus 2 equal to 154 divided 7. 2 7s are 14. Okay? 2 7s are 14 and 1. So again 2 7s are 14. If you divide 154 divide 2, you will obtain 77. Therefore, 3x equal to 77 minus 2. Therefore, 3x equal to 75. Now, x equal to 75 divide 3. If you have learned the table, 75 divide 3, 25 is 75. And if you don't learn the table, you have divide. 75 divide 3, you will obtain 25. Therefore, x equal to 25. So this is the value of the x. We have find length and breadth. So breadth equal to x. Breadth equal to x means 25 meter, and length equal to, we have 2x plus 2. Then 2, put the value of x, 25 plus 2. 25 2s are 50 plus 2, 755 plus 2, 50 plus 2, 52 meter. Okay, 52 meter. 50 plus 2, 52. So length equal to 52 meter, breadth equal to 25. Okay, so this is the solution of the equation. So write down in your notebook now. See students, here is change the length and breadth. Actually, breadth equal to x and length equal to 2x plus 2. Okay, so this is right. If you suppose breadth differently, then you will answer differently. Now see, question 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 integer 2 upon 15. First we are going to understand what is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles means two equal sides. This side and this side equal. Suppose it is x. This is triangle ABC. These two sides are equal, so it is an isosceles triangle. And base means this is the base. 4 integer 2 upon 15. This is the base. The perimeter is 4 integer 2 upon 15 centimeter. What is the length of the either of the remaining equal side? We have found x. Either means out of these two same sides, we have either means any of one we have find. That means x we have find. Okay. Here is the given the perimeter. Suppose the length of the equal side equal to x centimeter. This we have considered x centimeter equal side. Now the perimeter equal to 4 integer. The perimeter is 4 integer 2 upon 50. Okay. The what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the all three sides. Means x plus 4 integer 2 upon 15 equal to 1 minute. There is something wrong in question. Okay, don't write in your notebook. We are making the correction of the question. Okay, student, there is correction in question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3. Okay, not mixed integer, 4 upon 3. This is the only correction in question. The perimeter is given 4 integer 2 upon 15. Now the perimeter means sum of the all sides, x plus 4 upon 3. here 2 upon 15. Therefore, x plus x, 2x plus 4 upon 3. Now convert this number. 15 for the 60. 60 plus 2. 62 upon 15. Therefore, now we can, if you want to multiply, then multiply here. 2 3 are 6x plus 4 upon 3 equal to 62 upon 15. LCM, taking LCM is the 3. 3 multiplied to 2 3 is 6x plus 4 as it is, because the denominator is already 3, so need not to multiply any number. So 2 3 is 6x plus 4 and whole divided LCM is 3. Now cross multiplication. 6x plus 4 multiplying with 15 equal to 3 multiply 62. Therefore, this is 15. So 5 3s are 15. 6x plus 4 equal to 3 multiply 62. We can cut 3 both the sides. Now the remaining portion, 6x plus 4 equal to 62. Therefore, 6x equal to 62 minus 4 plus transposing to front side, right hand side, then plus will be minus. Therefore, 6x equal to 62 minus 4, 12, 58. Therefore, x equal to 58 upon 6. Okay, x equal to 58 upon 6. If it will be cut, then we have cut 2 multiply 27, 2 multiply 3. 2 will be cut. So 27 upon 3. If you want to convert it, 3 8s are 24. Okay. It will be cut directly. 7 8s are 56. 6. Okay. 27 to the. Okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is 58. 58 divide 2. 2 is 4. 1, 8, 2, 9 is 2 multiply 29 and 2 multiply 3. 2 will be cut. Now 29 divide 3. Okay. 3 9s are 27 and 2. So 29 upon 3 equal to 3, 9 and 2. Okay. Check it once again. X plus 4 upon 3 equal to 4 integer. 15 for the 60. 60 plus 2, 62 upon 15. 2 3 is 6x plus 4 upon 3 equal to 62 divide 15. Now cross multiplication. 62 multiply 3 and 15 here. 5 3s are. Okay, we forget this 5. 5 remaining here. So make correction. 5 remaining. 6x plus 4 upon 62. Okay. Now 5 will be here divided. So there will be problem. Okay. Don't write in your notebook. We are making the question correction. Okay. Okay, student. 5 into bracket cx plus 4 equal to 62. Now 5 6 are, this multiply 5 here and this multiply 4 here. 5 6 are 30x plus 5 4 are 20 equal to 62. Therefore 30x equal to 62 minus 20. Therefore 30x equal to 6 minus 2 4 and 2 minus 0 2. Therefore x equal to 42 upon 30. Now we have got it. X equal to 2 multiply 21. 21 2s are 42. Or other language also 6 7s are 6 7s are and 6 5s are. Then 6 6 will be cut. So x equal to 7 upon 5 or 5 1s are 7 1 5 1s are 5 plus 2. Both are right answer. Centimeter. So this is the length of the remaining equal side. Therefore length of the equal side equal to 7 upon 5 centimeter, or you can write 1 integer 2 upon 5. Now write them in your notebook. Okay, now students, question 4. Sum of the two numbers is 95. If one number exceeds other by 15, then find the numbers. Understand the question very well now. First, two numbers. Two numbers means one is the large number, one is the small number. So first we have considered suppose or let whatever small number. Suppose a small number equal to x, that we don't know. And now another number, if one number is the other exceed means more, so large number equal to exceeds means more means plus. How can we plus 15 then the other? So 15 exceeds 15 means more 15 than the others. Now equation. Sum of the two numbers. Sum of the two numbers means small number plus larger number. Small number equal to x plus larger number equal to x plus 15. So sum of the two number is 95. Therefore, now we are going to solve this equation and find the value of x. X plus x, 2x plus 15 equal to 95. Therefore, 2x equal to 95 plus 15 exposing to the front side, so it will be minus. Therefore, 2x equal to 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 1 8. Therefore, x equal to 80 upon 2. Therefore, x equal to 20. So this is the value of the x, not answer of the question. We have find the numbers. First we have find x. X means small number. Therefore, small number equal to x, that we have considered here, x. So it will be 20. Small number will be 20. Therefore, large number equal to x plus 15. Large number equal to x plus 15. So put the value of x20 here plus 15. So 20 plus 15, 2 plus 1, 3, and this is 5. Okay, so small number is 20 and large number is 35. If you want to confirm the answer, you can confirm it. Okay, 80 upon 2 is the 40. So small number equal to 40. So 40 plus 15, 55. Okay. 40 plus 15 equal to 55. Now you can check, is it right or wrong? Sum must be 95. 40 plus 55, it will be 95. Now this is the solution of the question. Now you can write in your notebook. Okay students, now 5 numbers. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, find the numbers. So suppose we have considered the numbers. Here is number is given but in the form of ratio. So we can multiply by x. Ratio can be removed by the x or any variable. So suppose the numbers are 5x and 3x. 5x and 3x. So these are the numbers that already given in question but in the ratio form. So we can take in this way this variable 5x and 3x. If they are differ by 18, differ means subtract, minus they are differ by 18. The equation. If they are differ by 18, differ means minus 5x minus 3x equal to 18. Differ by 18. Then find the number. So first we have solved this equation and find the value of x. 5x minus 3x, 2x equal to 18. X equal to 18 upon 2. So x equal to 9. See, this is the value of the x, not answer of the question. Okay, this is the solution of the equation. We can say value of the x, but we have to find the numbers. So numbers we have, suppose here 5x. So first number equal to 5x. So 5 multiply value of the x 9. 5 9s are 45. And second number equal to 3x. Here is given 3x. So 3 multiply value of the x 9 equal to 27. Therefore, required number equal to 45 and 27. If you minus it, you will obtain 18. Okay? Now you can write in your notebook.